All right, at the RV show in Rosemont.
You should show them the RV.
And it's not really what I expected. I expected more big fancy RVs. Did you expect big more?
I did, and accessories, you can buy stuff.
You could buy nothing here. Barrington RV has one nice diesel pusher, but you can't go in it because it's appointment only. Low.
They may have a little bit of class.
Photobomb! It is President's Day, and I am celebrating by taking the day off, as we should be, because we have a day off at work today. And I am also finally on my way out to Elkhart, Indiana, the RV surplus capital of the friggin' universe, to get some stuff I've been looking to get. I want to get a new couch today. I might buy 2 new furnaces if there are deals to be had. I want to look at blind options. I don't like those rattly metal blinds that I have. I saw some really cool ideas yesterday at the RV show in Rosemont. I am having a bad hair day. I will be buttoning this up when I get out to Elkhart, Indiana. It's about, there's 2 places I want to go to. One's about 2.5 hours, one's 3. I was going to drive the coach out there, but I decided against it because why drive that if I could just drive a van out there and stick everything in it? Save $100 in fuel. Alright, train's done. Traffic's moving. Bye. Here I am in Elkhart, Indiana. And this place is, no doubt about it, the RV capital of the world. There are RV manufacturing places everywhere here. There's another one right there. I don't know what they're making. Looks like a bunch of fifth wheels. Well, I tell you, you come out here to Elkhart, there's a couple things you can get. One is fireworks. Another one is an RV. And another one is RV parts. Actually, I'm going into Michigan right now. Okay, here is RV Bontrager's Surplus. I'm hoping this one turns out to be better than the last. Well, my RV hunt for a couch has closed the gap. Just left Bontrager's, or I don't even know how to pronounce it, in Elkhart, Indiana, and got a couch. Finally, Serotonin will have a place for guests to sit. My goodness, I need a shave. I'm actually clean. Hair's just a little messy. It's been raining and fogging the entire time getting here. But I have a couch. Anyway, on my way back to Illinois, and we'll be happily putting this couch, it's actually a jackknife sofa, so I gotta build a little base for it, but it's gonna have storage under it. It's gonna have all kinds of cool stuff. It'll be really, really neat when it's done. That is a relief. They didn't really have anything else that I wanted. I like that angle. But that's okay. All that stuff I could order online. Tons of stuff. But I'm just happy I finally, after what seemed like an exhaustive search, a couch. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all in. Okay, I'm back from Elkhart, Indiana, and outside I have my new jackknife sofa that is gonna go right there. So this spot has been sofa-less since I bought the rig, and it's about to have one. Now it's going to take some finishing touches, which I'm going to get to over time. I've got a really cool embroidered thing I'm going to do along the bottom. Let me tell you this. If this couch was a 1/4 inch longer than it is right now, lights out, no way it would work. It was like whatever it was. It was with precision. Like I parked this thing up against the wall. This thing fits like a glove. There it is. Now I got to do the finishing in the front. I'm going to put a nice piece of faux leather across the front, but it feels nice, jackknifes and all. And what I like about it is that this dark, which I wasn't going to go with, matches all the pulls nicely. And when the new flooring goes in, got a guy coming over to look at replacing all the flooring. It's going to look amazing. It's going to completely change the way this rig looks. But yeah, it fits there. It's nice. It was a hell of a deal. So what I'm going to do is once it gets all bolted in, I'm going to wrap this with leather, wrap this with leather going forward. And then when the jackknife part goes up and it jacks up, then it's going to be complete storage under here for things. It's going to be really nice. I'm guessing this is going to have to be rebuilt and make it shorter, whatever. But I just wanted to get it in there, and it is the right one to have. Oh, yeah. So what's going to be happening pretty soon is this is also going to all change. This is going to get disassembling. This is going to be a new Corian top. And over here, from there to there, is going to be a box against the wall, and it's going to have a lift on it. So while I'm sitting here on my couch, I'll hit a button, and the TV will lift up. And I am going to put the biggest, baddest ass TV in there that I could possibly fit. It's going to be an entertainment mecca in here. And when those little speakers get changed out and the new system goes in, this place is going to rock. It's going to be like Bret Michaels on Rock This RV. Fantastic. I feel complete. I think this day is done. Rocky's going to come over and check out the floors right now. Replacing this and that all the way back to the bedroom. I got the new tile picked out already. Just need to get it done. And find a place to put this land shark surfboard. Thanks everybody. Hope you're having a great day.